What's up everybody, Sami here. So in this video we are going to take a quick comparison between the Xiaomi 14 Pro and the 14, the design difference and especially camera difference, Can Xiaomi 14 beat 14 Pro? I also did, a dedicated video for the 14 Pro and the 14 separately, so be sure to check out and subscribe if you haven't. Let's get started. So first, let's check out the design. So the biggest difference is you can see Xiaomi 14 kept this speaker openings here. Of course, Xiaomi 14 Pro looks larger, feels larger. This side and this side, nothing too different. Maybe the some of the difference lies to this camera module, and for the Xiaomi 14 Pro, it has that exchangeable, not changeable, switchable. Can I say switchable? Here, where for the 14, it does not. Okay, it's just a normal one. But to be honest, because of the gigantic camera module, Xiaomi for the back of Xiaomi 14 Pro maybe looks a bit better. Okay, so yeah, and also if you look very close, Xiaomi 14 has a totally flat screen, totally flat. For the Xiaomi 14 Pro, it can slightly curve, but you can hardly notice that, I would say. Yeah, you can hardly notice that. Also, the back has a very comfortable curve as well. Xiaomi 14 also has that. Yeah. So, but to be honest, I like Xiaomi 14 better. And also, if you check out the specs, I mean, they have the both phones. They have this kind of Snapdragon 3, and okay. Here are the specs comparison. Camera specs, actually, they both have, triple 50 megapixel and front is 32 megapixel. And speaking of the camera, let's just get to that, alright? Okay, as you can see, if you move close enough for 14 Pro, you see automatically switch to micro, but for Xiaomi 14 it seems a little bit too dumb. Maybe here. Oh, super micro. Okay, you have to turn on. Okay, this is super micro. stabilization test. Okay. 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 Let's just go to here. Okay. 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 Oh, not sure if it's usable anyway. Now I'm comparing 1080 60. Just a walk. Okay, it's lunchtime. People just come out. Now I'm comparing 1080 60. Just a walk. Okay, it's lunchtime. People just come out to have lunch. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Okay, and that is the backlight situation. Let's check out if it's good. Backlight. So the left is Xiaomi 14, right is 14 Pro, and check it out to see if it's really good. Backlight. Backlight. Okay, run a little bit. Okay. Okay. I cannot see very clear under this strong sunlight, but seems like 14 Pro is like a little bit better, less jittery, a little bit more stable. Okay, but anyway, let's just. Okay. All right. Alright, there is a simple comparison between the 14 Pro and the 14. If I were to buy, I would definitely get the 14 because it has perfect size, you know, much cheaper price, and also such good performance, you know, camera performance and hardware performance. And what do you think about them? Please let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Let me see you in the next one.